So we are here at the Snap Center, and we are here with two ladies in the garden. Can you please state your name?
Cheryl Patterson, special needs teacher at the SNAP Center.
Right.
Paulette Simon, special needs teacher at the SNAP Center.
Okay. Where am I? Where am I?
Okay, we are in the SNAP Fresh Garden, the school gardening project for the SNAP Center.
Okay.
In Q-Town, Turks and Caicos.
Right. And what are you doing now in the garden?
Well,
We are harvesting today our crop and we are preparing to sell them today. We have callaloo and we'll be getting some pop choy.
Okay. Okay. So, is the garden a part of the school in terms of having the students being a part of it, or it is basically independent of the school?
no, the garden is a part of the program for the children with special needs that we cater to here. So what the garden does, it provides an outdoor activity where they can practice their communication skills, because they have to talk in the garden about different things. It helps them to exercise their fine and gross motor skills. We get to teach academics as well. We teach math, money. For example, today we'll be selling each bundle or each pack for $5. So they learn currency. There are a lot of skills that we use the garden for. Reading as well. You can look at the sign. So each crop is labeled and the children are able to associate the name to the actual product. Let me see if I can show you an example, because we use our recycling material to label the garden. So for example, okay, right here where I was. So this is recycled plastic, right? So we use empty containers and we label this callaloo, right? So the children are able to identify the word callaloo with the plant callaloo.
Okay, so what are some of the different varieties of vegetables that you have?
Well, we have callaloo, we have pak choy. Over there we have some carrot and Irish. Up there we have sugar cane. We have some okra over there, and we have cucumber that we have planted. We have pine. The list is long. We have variety of stuff in the garden. Peanuts. What else we have, Teacher Paula?
Corn.
Corn, yes.
Okay, okay. So can you speak a little bit about? I heard that you won a school garden a trophy. Can you just give me a little summary about that? What was it like? Which year did you win the trophy?
When did you go?
2018.
2018. It was the first year of the school gardening competition put on by the agriculture department here in Turks and Caicos, and our special needs children participated in the event, and we were crowned the champion.
Yes.
Hooray for SNAP!
Okay, okay, nice. All right, and this is going to be a sustainable garden.
Yes,
right?
it is. It provides, one of the main objective of the garden is to provide employment for adult students, right? So at a certain age they will leave the center,
Right.
and some of them won't be able to acquire employment in the community. So with this garden, as you mentioned, if it will be sustainable, it will be sustainable, because we'll be having those same adult children coming back maybe for 2 days or 2 sessions per day to work in the garden, like doing harvesting. They can come back and help with weeding, different skills that they would have learned over the duration of the program. And from the sale of the produce, we will pay them a stipend.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, well, thank you, Miss Pattison, for that information. And Miss
Summons.
Simmons, you are all doing a wonderful job. Garden looks beautiful. So I'm going to just make my way around and look at the different crops. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So here we have the callaloo that we were talking about. Alright. Young callaloo coming up there. This is the sugar cane that we are talking about. We have more mature callaloo there. Yes, and we have carrot here, we have scallion. Right. These are new cuttings that they made. We have this, the Irish right here. That is the carrot right over there. Right, and we have okra. Right. So it is a beautiful garden and they are doing a good job. And as you heard, they won a school garden competition. So I'll see you again in another update.